we go with the new project, since the most important thing here would be joints, motions, motion study. Many other features will be simplified. So we can start first. What I do, I usually save file, give it some name, project 1, let's say, and save. Now I start with the first component, say OK, create new component, OK. Now we go to this plane and create sketch. Rectangle. Dimensions at this point are not so important, since we will many times edit dimensions, I guess. But I will put some dimensions, let's say 900 millimeters there and 900 millimeters here, or let's say 700 millimeters. So this rectangle, we will use this rectangle as a path to our sweep command. Now create the second sketch. Now since I have here a perspective view, I will try to have orthographic view here, and so you can change that in display settings, camera, orthographic perspective, perspective with ortho faces. Now I will create another sketch. We have that point there, so we will have frame consisting of square profiles 40 millimeters and 3 millimeters thick. So we have 40, press tab so you can go to another dimensions, press 40 and enter. Now let's center this middle point to this point here. So we used coincidental constraint, click, and it is now centered. Now in this, since let's say OK, since this is profile, we will add another square. So we will use offset command. Thickness, wall thickness will be 3 millimeters, so we will put -3 here, so that gives us a right direction. And we have now this second square. Our sketch is finished. Finished sketch. Now we can use sweep command, select this profile and select this path. We had some problem with selection there, but now it's okay. So this would be simplified version of the frame. Of course, this frame consists of square profiles. These profiles must be cut, must be welded, and when they cut and welded, it should look something like this. Of course, these edges here would be rounded. We can round them now using fillet command, but as we say, we want simplified version. So for our project, this is good enough. I wanted to show you also how you can use section analysis to see how your model looks in section. in cross section, so we can go to inspect, select section analysis, and now it asks us to select cut plane. So we can choose the plane along our object will be cut. We can choose whatever plane we want. At this point, I guess this would be okay. When we select the plane, we can select the direction of our cut. So let's say we select that, and now we have our model in cross section. So it looks like that. When we have a new folder here, it says analysis. When we want to edit position of our section plane, we can double click on section and move or rotate plane, and then click. When we are okay with the position, we can click OK. At this point, we don't need to see this cut, so we will hide, and we will use it whenever we want in our design.
So if you find this video helpful, you can like this video, subscribe to channel, and share this video with your friends, family members, or colleagues who might find this video helpful. Thank you.